Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to do just a quick little art video, something nice, fun, and something I really enjoyed. So I have a Starbucks cup that is reusable, recyclable, and it's kind of boring. It's plain, it has all the print on it for all the Starbucks stuff, but I want to do something better. So let's do it! Alright, so for this I have some Posca pens out here. I chose some of my pastel colors and I'm kind of just making up a squiggly, kind of like a pastel camo design. You'll see. They have colors of the rainbow in like a pastel color. You can see the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, Roy G. Biv. So I saw some of Mira Byler's art videos doing different Starbucks cups, and I was like, I have this Starbucks cup and it's so boring, let me do this. So this is what I'm doing. If you notice, I tried to make each color touch the logo of the Starbucks, what is that, a mermaid thing? I don't know, but I tried to make it touch like 2 times each on each side of it somehow, but then I didn't like where colors ended up at the end, so I'm covering it up with different colors. Yeah, so that didn't go great. And then I did it with this blue here too. I was just like, I don't like it. Yep, just covering it all up. Alright, and now I have applied a second and third coat to some of these, and I'm going to outline all of them in black to make them pop out more. I was actually really hesitant to use the black Posca because, Posca pens have a tendency to blow up sometimes, so I was just like holding my breath with every line. And I decided that I would go ahead and do the logo itself black too, just to kind of go with the theme of everything. I was very hesitant to do this because there are like skinny little lines in her hair and stuff, and I was like, what if it blows up? Oh my gosh. So I was just going extremely slow, even though I sped this up for you guys. You're welcome. And there it is. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It has a safe coat of Mod Podge on top to make sure the paint doesn't chip off. So hopefully it's hand wash safe. I know this was a quick video, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Please give me a like, subscribe guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye!